Hello students, welcome to Shivaji Group of Institutions. Students, I am your physics teacher Santosh Shah. Students, now we will learn our first chapter of class 8, which is matter. And this chapter is divided into 2 units. Unit first and unit second. Unit first is states of matter on the basis of kinetic theory of matter. And second unit is change of state in kinetic theory of matter. Now, today we will learn unit first. Now let's see what is the outcome of today's class. First we will learn what is matter. Second we will learn types of matter. And third we will learn particle nature of matter. So these are the 3 main topics which we will learn today. So let's see what is matter. Students, there are various materials around us such as table, chair, wood, iron, water, milk, oxygen, nitrogen and various other gases. So there are mainly 2 properties of these substance or matters. The first one is all the materials occupy some space, and the second, all the materials have some mass. So by conclusion we can say the definition of matter is anything which occupies space and have mass is called matter. Now, there are second topic is types of matter. There are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. The main properties of solid is it has definite shape, and definite volume. In case of liquid, it doesn't have definite shape, but have definite volume. And in case of gas, it has neither definite shape nor definite volume. So solids have definite shape and volume. Liquids doesn't have definite shape. In which container it is kept, it takes the shape of that container, and it doesn't have, but it has definite volume. And in case of gases have neither definite shape nor definite volume. Now we will learn particle nature of matter. So students, the basic building block of a matter is an element. It means every matter is made up of elements. Now if a matter is made up of same kind of elements, then these are called atoms. If matter is made up of same kinds of elements, then it is called atoms. And if a matter is made up of different kind of elements, then it is called molecules. Now, what is the definition of element, atoms and molecules? An element is defined as the smallest unit of matter which cannot be subdivided into two or more parts by any other means or by any chemical means. And definition of atoms is, atom is the smallest unit of element which may or may not have its separate existence, but it takes part in every chemical reaction. And what is molecules? Can be explained as, it is the smallest unit of an element which has its independent existence and it retains all the physical and chemical properties of the matter. Thank you, class.